Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Here you click on the last icon that contains settings. Then tap on profile photo. Again click on profile. Then select avatar. Same mode with avatars. Now on WhatsApp app, create your avatar. Same mode with avatars on WhatsApp. With avatars on WhatsApp, you can personalize your avatar's appearance, share how you feel with avatar stickers, say your avatar as your profile photo. Tap get started. Choose a skin tone for your avatar. Next. You can choose hairstyles, outfits. Next. And more. Choose any color. Next. Then select your avatar face and you can change size avatar. Next. And more. Than tap outfit icon, choose your outfit from the list. Next. Your avatar is being updated. And click on next. Choose any avatar and change background color. After that, click done on top right. That's it, your profile photo updated. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.